Hey guys, in this video we will see how to add a Discord bot to your server from mobile device. First, open your browser and type Discord bots and search in Google. Open up the first result and it will take you to top.gg. Here you can easily find lots of bots to add to your server. You can search the bot's name here to find your desired bot, or you can choose from the website. For example, we will add this pro bot to our server. Click on View to navigate to its website and then click on Add to Discord. It will take you to a new tab, and if you're not logged into Discord in this browser, you will have to log in. After login, select your server where you want to add the bot, then press Continue. It will ask for your permission. Click Authorize and it's done. The bot is now added to your server. You may need to complete the CAPTCHA to verify you are not a robot. You will find the chat command of the bot in their website. Open up Discord and you will see the bot is added to the server. Now, if you want to remove the bot, just simply kick the bot from your server. That's it for the video. Hope you liked this simple tutorial.